Hey, and welcome back for another video. I'm not going to do much talking today because I don't have my mouthpiece in. You can hear my voice and hear that it sounds kind of muffled or different, and that's because I wear what's called an obturator to fill in a huge... I don't have a hard palate in my mouth anymore because of cancer, and so I need to put that mouthpiece in, and it helps me speak a little better, but I'm not going to wear it right now. It is the middle of my night. I work night shifts, and so it's kind of the middle of the day, and I should be asleep, but I can't go to sleep, so I'm going to put a little bit of makeup on, and I'm going to go to town and get something to eat. It's kind of like my version of a midnight snack run. I am wanting to use a new palette that I have not used before from BH Cosmetics, the Midnight City. And I'm certainly not going for a dramatic look of any sort. I want to go ahead and put some lipstick on. I'm going to put red. I'm going to use this Lime Crime, and because my t-shirt has red in it. I've been laying here trying to go to sleep and just tossing and turning, so I said forget it. I got up, and so let's go get something to eat. I love this lipstick. It has such a pleasant, sweet fragrance to it, and it's long lasting. Alright, let's take a look. So this is the Midnight City by BH Cosmetics. They don't have names. This is the product. Surprisingly, there's no black in there. You would think there would be black with the name being Midnight City. Alright, I'm just going to go for a fairly neutral look. I'm going to get started with this color down here. I'm going to swatch some of the colors real quick and see which ones I might want to use. Well, I didn't put them in a spot that's easy to see. Alright, there's some really great color payout here. This color is a really dark, almost a greenish color. And since I want to stay fairly neutral, I'm going to use this brown color here on the outer corner and kind of up into the crease. I'm loving the color payout. I mean, this makeup's doing a really good job staying on my face. It's blending well. And I'm just going to put a lighter shimmer color on my eyelids. Let's go for this shimmery brownish color, I suppose. And then I'm going to use this lighter shimmer color right here with my finger and put it right in the middle. Okay, I'm wanting to keep it as neutral and not too bold of a look as I can, so I'm going to skip eyeliner. I'm going to do a little mascara. Alright, that is it for this look. I went more, neutral and normal, I guess, with the eye look than I have been lately. But paired with such a bold lip, that seems to be the right thing to do, and I will look forward to using this palette again to use some of the more bold colors in it, particularly like this one right here and this bright blue up here. So there is definitely the opportunity for a lot more looks with this. That's it. Thank you for watching.